Yeah, good evening. My name is M. Jashwant Kumaran, of registration number 19MIS0364. So, for this digital assignment 2, I am going to enact the role play of digital assignment 1, where I discussed about top 5 research papers research papers on the topic IDS. So, IDS in the sense it is intrusion detection system. So, what is IDS? IDS. So, before getting into this research papers discussion, I will give a short glimpse on what is IDS and what are the classification in IDS likewise. So coming to the IDS, intrusion detection is based on like monitoring the operation of uh, computer systems or network and analyzing the process they perform, like which cannot to certain incidents. So basically there are three primary classes of these methodologies. They are number one is signature based detection, and another one is anomaly based detection, and third one is detection based on stateful protocol analysis. So uh, so what is signature based detection in the sense it is based on the characteristic signature of an attack, and the anomaly based detection is based on the detecting anomalies in a specific traffic flow or in the network, and the third one which is based on stateful protocol analysis, is a process of comparing predefined operation profiles. Like there will be existing profiles, operation profiles defined, and that we compare with those predefined existing profiles with the specific data flow of the protocol of the network. So for the day one, I selected 5 general articles, where in which the general article one is the immune system based intrusion detection system, so which was proposed year 2020, and it is a kind of general article and was published by the IEEE. So what the main theme of this paper is, like this paper explores the im, immunological model and implements it in the domain of intrusion detection on computer networks. So the main objective of this paper is to monitor log the network traffic and apply detection algorithms for detecting intrusions within the network. So coming to the methodology, like what is the methodology they are adopted is basically it consists of 2 layers. The first layer is the IDS that imitates the immune system, and this immune system is termed as statistical methodology, like not methodology, statistical modeling based anomaly detection. And the second layer, where it also consists of the pre-processing too, and this pre-processing 2 module works more like the cells, like which can how can we say that, which can initiate immune responses by activating the native T cells for further adaptive responses. So coming to the overall, like whether it may be results obtained or critical analysis and conclusion, the whole conclusion of this research paper is, if I can sum up in a few words, the whole conclusion of this research paper is this proposed model has considered both the real-time network traffic and the standard dataset for the intrusion detection. So these are the alternate methodologies adopted. And coming to the second journal article, it is the HML IDS, sense in the sense a hybrid level anomaly prediction approach for intrusion detection in a SCADA systems. And it was proposed in the year 2019, and it was a kind of general article, and it was published by the reputed IEEE. So coming to the intro, so if I can give a outline, here is the approach is to deal with the issue and propose an anomaly detection method for the ICS. So basically, this the students or the others who worked on this paper like proposed a approach using a hybrid model that take advantage of the anticipated and consistent nature of communication patterns that occur among different kind of ground devices in ICS setups. So what is the methodology they adopted is this paper inspired. Before coming into this methodology, I need to say one thing. So basically, this paper inspired from a research paper, like where in that research paper, the authors designed their study on the basis of the 2 metrics: the technique used for the detection and the one is for the audit. So basically, they build their model, like the present researchers, they build their model by using supervised fully convolution neural networks, and they shifted it into an phases and shifted into an unsupervised, like unsupervised FCM to detect anomalies. And it also consists 3 phases, like where the 3 phases are named as reliable future extraction, and the second one is pre-processing, and third one is standardization. So And again, the results obtained, critical analysis of the results, and conclusion analysis. If I can sum up in these three domains into a particular word, the whole conclusion of this research paper is this paper, like this proposed model, is capable of attaining acceptable efficiency while maintaining the cost of computation at small level. And coming to the third general, these are the methodologies adopted, like alternate methodologies can be adopted for the proposed model. And this is the general article 3. And the general article 3 is applying big data based deep learning system to intrusion detection, which was proposed in the year 2022, and it was a kind of general article, and also it was again published by the reputed IEEE. So coming to the intro in the sense, I will give a short intro of this general article. Like, how can I? Yeah, this general proposed a like BDHDLS for intrusion detection. Big database deep learning system intrusion detection. So coming to the methodology adapted here, as we just discussed now, it was proposed method in such a way that BDHS for intrusion detection works inefficiently. So basically, each deep learning model in this like in the tree structure is constructed on the data subset for a particular group of intrusive attack families. Like here, BDHDLS has a better chance to learn. Here we can see BDHDLS has a better chance to learn unique data, like unique data distribution patterns for each intrusive attack family. So this is the methodology adopted. If I can sum up these things, basically this construction time for BDHDLS is 12 hours. Like where if we can, the 12 hours is like when we consider the 64 missions are used. Of course, this technique may not be the optimal solution. Therefore, and also the advanced decision fusion algorithms combining outputs from different deep learning models in the tree can be experimented in the near future. Like we can expect in those systems in the future. And these are the alternate methodologies. And coming to the general article 4. So general article 4 is intrusion detection system based on the integrated system calls graph and neural networks. And it was proposed in the year 2021, and it was kind of general article, and it was published by the IEEE. So coming to this fourth general article, so basically this research paper demonstrate like how can I say this research paper will address the main challenges of today's technological infrastructures, whereas uh, like these intrusion detection systems are there now, like are one of the most widely used technologies to secure computer systems. So to address this challenge, this research paper has proposed a model. So basically, the methodology they adopted is like they divided it into clearly differentiated stages. Basically, the first stage, as we said now, they divided into two like clearly differentiated stages. The first stage will carry the detection process, and whereas the second stage will carry out a process like the combination of the results that are occurred in the first stage. So this is the technique that they are going to use in the detection phase also. So, and if you can this again, this paper has presented the generosical design of an IDS model that integrates multiple detection techniques or particular views to the model that that concatenates the global behavior of the applications. So due to this integration of the different detection methods and the global information on the application behavior, the proposed model is able to take in the advantage over the each method. So these are the alternative methodologies can be adopted for the proposed model in the general article 4. And the final article is the empty-tied hybrid intrusion detection system for Internet of Vehicles, which was proposed in the year 2022, and where it was a kind of general article and was also published by the most reputed IEEE. So coming to this, if I can give a short intro to this general article. So basically, this general article addressing the secular vehicular networks. So basically, many researchers have focused on developing intrusion detection systems that capitalize the machine learning models, but no one focused on the uh, these developing intrusion detection systems that detect malicious cyber attacks. So basically, of course, they both agree in a similar way, but they can't. The existing methodologies cannot be differentiated between those. And this research paper addressed that challenge, where how they went through this work is like here the data sets are pre-processed by the information where they produce the gain based and correlation based features. Yes, and they occupy the selection methods to remove irrelevant and redundant features and then pass it to the KPCA model to reduce the dimensionality and the other noisy features. So coming to the, and also there is one special thing about this paper is they like here they applied feature engineering which can improve the quality of datasets for more accurate and efficient model learning. So coming to the, if you can, coming to the conclusion of where it may be results of critical analysis and the conclusion. Uh, how can I address it? The quality of the input data can be significantly improved, like, but it has accurated and predicted in such a good way that for known attack detection, while the second type comprises the two BOTP and stacking models for the supervised based learning and optimization to achieve the higher accuracy. So this is the final or is a final journal article, and these are the alternative methodologies can be adopted for this journal article. So yeah, thank you, sir.